Hey everybody, happy 2022 and welcome back to another video. Today we are looking at the PS4 controller from the last video that I didn't get to work on. So this was from the, if you didn't see it, the PS4 Days of Play console that I got. This is the controller that came with it. It didn't come with the original one, it came with this, I guess, camouflage one, and as you can see, it's kind of, it has wear and tear on it. So this is just regular sticky tape. Same with the power button, it's kind of stuck, but it's because of the tape residue. Both analog sticks, as you see, are busted, and if we look at our Joy-Cons, our analog sticks, they're both kind of not working properly. These two are, but these two aren't. So essentially, what I ended up doing was I went on eBay and I got myself one of these. What is this, you may ask? It's a set of replacement buttons. So essentially, I got a replacement set of these D-pad and buttons, and what I'm gonna do in this video is essentially try to bring this back to life, make it look as good as possible, you know, just because. So yeah, I think step one is we're just gonna open it up, take everything apart, clean what we can, so probably clean out this shell. I'm gonna replace these and replace these to keep everything else original. So yeah, let's just jump right on into it. So we're gonna need, I'm guessing, screwdrivers. I'm gonna use a small one first. As you see on the bottom, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. And once you lift up those 4 screws, everything's gonna come right off. So once we have those 4 screws, we just should be able to lift it out. Yeah, there you go. So one of my buttons already came flying out, which I guess is fine, and the controller's powering on, but yeah. Gonna take out this cable right here. Just pulls out like so. We're gonna put this to the side. Yeah, these are the guys we're gonna have to work on, but yeah. So this is our top portion. Just wanna make sure, you know, everything makes sense. So your L1 and R1 kinda fit in there. Like so, which is fine. Something's already broken. I'm just gonna continue to take this guy apart and see where we end up. Yeah, this whole part's gonna come right out, which is fine with me. That's fine. Okay, so these are our meat and potato parts. So essentially, this is our touch bar. I'm just gonna take that out. It's kind of dirty as you go in there, as you see. Most of these buttons were fine, so I'm not gonna mess around. I'm just gonna take them out to clean them. That's our D-pad. Okay, and take out our start and share button. So this is our shell. As you see there, yeah, it's not in the worst condition, but it's definitely seen better days. I'm gonna put this to the side. The main thing I want to look at is this guy, so our screw comes out there. This is also very dirty, so I'm gonna do the same thing. just gonna continue deconstructing and taking everything apart. I want to focus on is over here. My these shoulder buttons are busted. That's kind of where in my new pack. So we, as you see, we got everything with this guy. So we did get new thumbsticks. So these are our new thumbsticks, and these are our old ones, so that'll be a nice change. We got these little bumper guys over them to put over analog sticks. And of course we got these guys, which is what I really need, which is our R2, L2 buttons. So let me just take them out. And we got all our springs, which is what I was missing. So as you see, new R2 button. I'll leave everything down below. So essentially what I want to do here, I just want to take everything and put it back together. So yeah, I'm gonna clean everything up first and then get to doing that part. So yeah. Alrighty, so we got everything cleaned up, so as best as I could. So this is our front shell. All I did was take some water, elbow grease, and some dishwashing liquid and kind of just soaked it, scrubbed it down. So front shell, D-pad, all our buttons. So circle, square, X, triangle. Got our start and share button, and of course our PlayStation button. So as you see down here, I got replacements of these guys, so I'm not gonna use the same ones. I'm just gonna use new ones. So this is a new one. Same here, new one. I can do the same with the start button, so I got a new one. I'm going to use that. And I did already put the bumpers on the back, so this is the back. Got our buttons in there already. Cleaned it as much as I could, considering that, you know, it's a lot of grooves and on one of these buttons is broken. So from here I'm just going to start putting it back together, and hopefully this goes well. Alrighty, so kind of nearing the end of this one. I am a bit bummed out that the L1 is busted, but I guess it's it is what it is type of situation. So let's connect that cable, and then all of this should just kind of sit back down into place. As you see, this is broken there, but everything seems to, I don't like, other than my L1, everything else seems to sit fine, so we're just gonna close it up now. Alrighty guys, so there we have it. With a few bucks, some time, and some few minutes of love, this controller kind of looks practically brand new. Everything works, as you see, power's on. I did take this out and clean it. So I forgot to show it, but I cleaned the trackpad, all the goop off with a 91% rubbing alcohol and Q-tips. I'll leave a link down below to the parts I bought from eBay. As you see, everything kind of functions just as good. This works, all of this works, everything's kind of fresh. The only thing is, L1 works, but it's busted, as you guys saw. So R1's like that, L1's kind of all over the place, but yeah, you know, if you guys like this type of stuff, please leave a comment. As always, like, comment, subscribe, that's useful. Anything you want to have answered, shoot me a comment, DM me, I'll try my best. Good thing about that PS4 is, if you guys have been following it, it was on 8.5, so 9.0 was jailbreakable. Did update it to 9.0 and jailbroke it, and that's working fine. It's still working. Haven't really done anything other than jailbreak it, but yeah, thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one. See you.